Usually have to wait for my accountant to tell me what I made. And it's funny because a lot of times she'll say, did you know you made such and such last year? And I'm like, I made what? Because it doesn't feel that way.
What did you make last year?
It was somewhere in the area of $60,000, which I couldn't believe. Because, and to give you some background, before I went back into the classroom, I spent a couple of years as a dean. So I made some good money that year, and so, but it was about to kill me. So I decided to go back to what I enjoy. You mentioned sanity at some point earlier,
Right.
And I was thinking, what sanity? That was a very stressful time for me, to the point of like really bad. So I got out of it and went back to the classroom, but that's a huge money difference.
Well, the thing that I find to be common with people, regardless of how much money they make, how many zeros are on the end, is that they overextend themselves. They live beyond their means. And so if they make this month, that's what they're, oh, I have this much to spend. Instead of saying, I'm going to live off of half of this income. I'm going to pretend like this income is not here, because obviously being a self-employed individual, you never know what month is going to be a boom month, what month is going to be a bust month. So you have to act like every month is a bust month.
Right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to create a balanced spending plan for you, regardless of, I think between your husband and you, I think we can still create a budget, create a spending plan is what I call it, that will allow you to be debt-free by the age of 60, have some money in reserves for emergency purposes, and of course allow you to enjoy life a little bit more.
Okay.
All right.
That
Sound
sounds
like
good.
a win. Let's do the Oprah thing. Hello.
Hey, Jerry.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Great.
All right. Good to see both of you again.
Same here. Same
All
here.
right.
Good seeing you.
All right. All right.
Jerry, we got good news for you. You're going to be happy. We saved that $600 that you told us about,
Okay.
that you wanted us to start implementing.
Okay.
So we got that going.
All right.
And we were able to also take a look at our life insurance, as you recommended, and we found some more money there.
App, that is stupendous. Say that one. Say it with.
Stupendous.
So are we doing the Oprah thing again?
Yes. All right. Now we earned the right this time. Okay.
All right, yeah. Before Jerry came by to see us, I think that we thought we knew everything that we needed to do. And so this was really good for us because me personally, I found out a lot of stuff that I didn't already know.
A lot of stuff we didn't know about each other. And Jerry really helped us out on that.
Yeah, absolutely.
I was very happy that in the end, I was able to help them create and implement a plan that gave them a better footing and help them with their communication. So because I came in and I helped them with that, they're now more confident. They've started to save, they've started to invest for retirement, and they're on track to leave their children a legacy, which is exactly what I was planning to do for them.